I bet you've never thought about sneezing like this before. When irritants like dust, pollen, or even strong odors enter your nasal passages, they trigger tiny nerve endings. These nerves send a lightning-fast signal to your brain saying, "Hey, we've got an intruder." Your brain then initiates a complex chain reaction, recruiting various parts of your body for a coordinated response. Your chest muscles contract, your throat closes, and pressure builds up in your lungs. Then, in a fraction of a second, your throat opens and air explodes out at speeds up to 100 miles per hour. This blast of air carries with it a spray of saliva and mucus, effectively clearing out whatever was irritating your nose.